This how-to video series will show you what VoiceThread is and how to set it up and use it for presentations. VoiceThread is a collaborative slideshow that combines documents, images, videos, and the ability to leave comments in different ways, through text, phone, audio file, a video file, or upload your own. Let's first talk about creating an account. If you've never used VoiceThread before and think you only need it for a few presentations, go ahead and create a free account. The free account is good for up to 5 presentations. Some professors choose to contact distance education services at the start of the semester to let them know that everyone in their class is going to need a VoiceThread account. In which case, distance education services will give every student in the class a basic account. That means that they can create as many VoiceThread presentations as they need and are not limited to the 5. The students will receive an email that they have a VoiceThread account and be instructed to change their password upon login. If a student creates a free account and then ends up needing to create more than 5 presentations, they can contact Distance Education Services and they will be able to upgrade their account from a free account to the basic account. How to create a VoiceThread. I first want to go over the recommended specifications. The first thing, you should be using Google Chrome or Firefox. Do not use Safari or Internet Explorer. You should have a webcam and then also a headset with a built-in mic so you can create your recordings. When you log into VoiceThread, this is what you will see. You will see your past projects and the option to create a new one at the top. When you hit create, it will bring you to this screen and you will hit add media. This is all the options you have to upload your own media into your presentation. I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to bring in a picture to my presentation. And I'm going to call it Rami. And you will keep adding media to your presentation. Once you're done with that, you will go to comment. And it'll bring you to your presentation. And this is where you can add your audio, your text, you can add a video if you wanted to add to the corner of you recording it. You will choose how long you want to stay on each slide, so you go click here, and then you want to stay on here 4 times. You can go here and you can add slides this way, but you can also rearrange, do a reorder. You can delete slides. You will want to edit the settings to your liking, so you go up to here, you would hit edit, and you will go to edit here, and then playback options, and you can change the way people comment on your slides, how long you want to automatically advance to the next slide, different ways you want your viewers to comment. So if you don't want them to use the webcam to comment or their microphone, turn that off. How to share your VoiceThread. The final step in creating a VoiceThread is to share it. So you will hit share, and if your professor created a group for your course, it would be listed here and you would be in it and you could share it that way. You could go here and just get the link, but make sure you check off if you want people to view and comment on it, or if you want them to just view it. You can get the embed code and embed it into a discussion board. You can either post it on Facebook or Twitter. If you want it to be listed in a VoiceThread, the browse option in VoiceThread, you can hit anyone can comment or anyone can view, but mostly you leave it private and just share the URL. I hope this how-to video helped you better understand VoiceThread. If you have any questions, please contact the Distance Education Support Line.